All right, YouTubes. Hey, Kuma, what's up? Out getting the pre-work walk-in. We're gonna go change out a blower assembly. I think it's an Avantco, and it's the evaporator fan is actually like a blower assembly, kind of like an Omnitemp style. So I'll bring you guys along for that, and we'll take it apart and show you guys how to do those ones. If you haven't seen one before, hopefully it'll be helpful. All right, what do you think about that, Kuma? Watch it, watch this. Kuma, where's kitty? Where's our kitty? Where's your kitty? Or we could try this one. Kuma, where's the coyotes? Where's the coyotes? Yip. She likes to bark at the coyotes. All right, YouTubes. We're heading in there to the job. We're downtown. Nice rainy day. Oh, there's some blue sky over there. That's nice. Let's see if I can get in here. I don't know if he said 10 o'clock or 10:30. I can't remember. But I'm gonna be in here. If I can get a parking, I get a parking spot right here. That'll work. And I got the app. I use the parking app on these ones. And let's get in there and see if I can change out this. It's an evaporator fan that's noisy. Hopefully it's running. I can show it to you. And we'll change it out. Then we'll go over. We can go over these. Felipe turned me on to this setup. If you get one of those true Solotech thermostats that croaks on you, you get this plastic box. You can cut in a Dixel or whatever thermostat you like, and drill in a knockout and run some SJ cord over to the unit and mount this on the back wall in like a true drink reach-in or something, or a walk-in box, and use this as the mounting for your Dixel control. They're 5x5 by 4 inches. I don't think the GoPro zooms in, but I'll cut these up. I'll make another video on those for you guys. Stay tuned. Oh, Tippy behaving today. There's that Frisbee I got off that one roof. I still have it. Here's what the blower assembly looks like for this fridge. Kind of Omnitemp style. It's expensive. Little bugger. Where did I buy it at? Did I buy it from Parchtown? Oh, I bought this one from Webstaurant. That's why it was expensive. Webstaurant store. Order up your parts. Sometimes I go Supply House, sometimes I go Parchtown. This one was Webstaurant. Let's get in there. All right, here it is, the Avantco. It's off right now on temperature. Oh yeah. Let's see here. Extender. Oh yeah, it's plugged up. That's what they do. They plug up. Look at that. Okay. Got the door open because I want it to heat up to bring the fan on so you guys could hear it. All right, we'll get these out. There it is. See how noisy it is? I was waiting for it to kick on. There it is. She's roached. Okay. Now take it apart. It looks like 6 screws stripped. That one's coming out. pull on it. There we go. 2, 3. 4. That one wants to go. That one's out. Okay. Oh, there it is. And it's just connected to there. And then it comes through here. Let's see which one it is. Oh, I think it's this little connector. Yep, and then it's this one. How easy. That's nice. Two screws on top. And 2 in the back. Super easy. Wow. Okay, there's one. Two. Three. 4. There it is. Bearings are done. There's Mr. Freshie. Not too bad. There it is. And the wire goes through right there. Pretty cool. Oh yeah. And we'll fish our wire in. Okay. And this comes up there. We'll get her. Let's get one lined up first. Oh, I like that. Okay, one's lined up. Okay. And then 2. And then number 3. Right here, which I think the extension will work better for. And get these lined up. Ooh, the top one looks like it's going to line up pretty good. Okay, there they are. Wow, that was a really user-friendly change out. Okay, let's plug her in. Look at that, not too shabby, huh? Oh yeah, let's see. Oh, dropping stuff here. There we go. That one's always toughy. Oh, it comes in from the side. I always forget about that on these ones. There it is, right there. Okay, power switch. Okay, time delay for the fan and the compressor. Copy that. And wait for the time delay. I looked at the ice maker here. It's ready to croak. And this condenser's totally plugged. Oh yeah, total plugger. Be a better way to get up to this thing. Maybe. Look at all that we got out of there. Oh, am I having a heck of a time with this one? All right, nice. Smooth and quiet. The next door neighbor's dirty too. That was the blower assembly change out on the Avantco. I know we complain about these cheap refrigerators sometimes, but sometimes they're more innovative than the ones made in the US. That was a super easy change out. That model of unit is super easy to work on, just so you guys know. Can't complain on that one. Some of that Avantco stuff's all right. And I know it's all rebranded and it's the same stuff, but the only bummer was the cost of that blower assembly was not cheap. It was yeah. So hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, please hit the subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.